Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog. It's been a frosty start to the morning, but the sun is out, it's going to burn off and we're going to get to about highs of 14 degrees. So this buffalo won't stay on too long. Right, where am I today? I've got 20 cleans, 18 of them are all in Gorefield, and then we've got 2 in a village near me, which is Wisbech St Mary. And that'll be us done for the day. I've started a little bit later than what I wanted to, but that's just because it's a colder start to the morning, because I'm getting old. And see if we can do it. Who knows? Follow along. Right, we've done 2 cleans at the beginning of the road to this estate. We're now moved at the far end. We're parked the van and we've got 4 all close to each other. And then we're just going to move the van literally 20 metres and then clean another house, and that'll be 5 done. So Matthew's starting on this house on the end here, and then we've got this one, and that one there. Matthew's going to start this end, I'm going to start this end, and we're going to meet somewhere in the middle, and we're going to drive the van down to there for the 5th one. Right, so those 5 cleans done. Now got 13 cleans left to do for the rest of the day, and it's now 20 past 10, so hopefully should do it. Find out. Just an update, it's now midday, 12 o'clock, so me and Matthew are going to eat up at lunch, and once we've done that we've got 11 cleans left of the day to do. Another 9 are here in Gorefield, and yeah, see how we go. Luckily so far the day's been brilliant and the sun is out. Can't beat that, can you? All right, it's me and Matthew done, now heading home. Finished at 4:45 p.m. and it's a 6-minute drive home. I'm in my village now, as it happens. But yeah, all in all, a good day. 20 cleans done. We've done some little extra jobs added on top, like garage doors and that, but it all adds into the pot, doesn't it? And we've had a couple of customers come out and had some nice chats, thankfully not too many. But yeah, very good day for us too. Hopefully there's more of it to come. It's amazing what a bit of good weather does, isn't it? And hopefully survival months are well gone for this year anyway. So time to build up that pot. And yeah, happy days. So like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and there'll be a video up here somewhere for you to watch next for YouTube. And take care. See you on the next one.